Hello, Professor. This is Mahshid Ibrahim Shirazi, and today I'm going to talk about my inventory system. Let me first try to log in with random username and random password, like my name and password 1234, and log in. So I received the message for invalid username or password. Now I will try admin, which I hard coded, and the password 1234, and log in. Now I'm logging successfully, and you can see my dashboard here. Let me first talk about part. I want to add one more part. If I click on save, it will ask me to fill out all the requirements, and here I will change the pre-selected to outsourced and put the name like machine and company Zitan and inventory 60 and price 10 and max, let me put 55 and min to 10. And if I want to save it, I will receive a message that inventory must be between min and max. So I will change it to 55 and save it. Now my add button work properly, and I want to modify it and put 55 to 50 and save it. Now modify button work properly, and then I want to delete this item. Yes, and let me show you my search button. So I will say search, and the motor part name, because it starts with letter M, pops up. Now here I do have all my products. Let me click on random one like this and try to modify it. So here let me try to modify the price and put it like 299 and save it. It was product 8 and it's 299. So let me modify it again and try to remove this associate part. So if I want to save it finally, a product must at least have one associated part. So it's actually impossible to remove this one because it has the associate part. And now let me add one more item as a product. So for name, I would say product 100, price is 400, the inventory 50, maximum 55, minimum 10, and I will add this one. Okay, and save it. You can see my product 100 here, and since there is associated part, it's impossible to remove it. Yes. So, and I will click on exit, and I will go back to the login page. So this was about my code, and I mean about my UI, and like other or previous assignments, I tried to use MVCL model view controller, as you see, controller model, and I do have the fxml file as my view, and I showed you the code is organized in two different controllers for each screen, like add, modify, and main or login. And I tried to ensure clean navigation and modular design, and the model class like part, product, inventory, handle data storage and validation, and while the fxml files define the UI layout, and All user actions are handled through controller methods with validation checks in place to prevent invalid operations that I showed you, like the login page. And the system also includes proper alerts, confirmation dialog, and error handling to provide a user-friendly and stable experience. Thank you.